Welcome to this step-by-step guide to BMO Business Credit Card, where we will walk you through the process of applying for and using this card to benefit your business. First, let's start with the basics. The BMO Business Credit Card is designed for business owners who want to manage their expenses, earn rewards, and enjoy exclusive benefits. To apply for the card, you will need to meet the eligibility criteria, which includes being a business owner, having a good credit score, and providing required business and personal financial information. Next, choose the right card for your business. BMO offers various business credit cards with different features, such as cashback, travel rewards, and low interest rates. Consider your business needs and choose a card that aligns with your goals. Once you have selected your card, you can apply online or in person at a BMO branch. You will need to provide documentation, including your business license, financial statements, and identification. The application process typically takes a few minutes, and you will receive a decision immediately. After you are approved, you will receive your card in the mail, and you can start using it to make purchases, pay bills, and manage your expenses. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions, including the interest rate, fees, and rewards program, to get the most out of your BMO Business Credit Card. Make sure to use it regularly, pay your balance in full each month, and take advantage of the rewards program. You can also use the card to track your expenses, which can help you stay organized and make tax time easier. In addition to the rewards program, the BMO Business Credit Card also offers other benefits, such as purchase protection, travel insurance, and concierge service. Make sure to review these benefits and use them to your advantage. Finally, to avoid interest charges and late fees, make sure to pay your balance in full each month, or make at least the minimum payment on time. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and using your BMO Business Credit Card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of the card, manage your expenses, and grow your business. Remember to always review the terms and conditions, use the rewards program, and take advantage of the exclusive benefits to get the most out of your card.